Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, you are most definitely welcome. My name is Nena and this is Neni's platform. So you guys, welcome to today's video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit now on that red subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get instantly notified every time I upload a new video. So welcome to today's video. You guys, I'm smiling about today's video because it's something that is really needed. It's something that is super that is making me happy anyway, all shades of happy. In 2022 we're thinking of multiple streams of income, especially as teachers, and that's what I have for you guys today, so definitely keep on watching. All right, so I have 7 tips actually that I have put some of them to work already and they're up and running, and I just thought to share with you guys because you can make some extra bucks, extra income as a teacher, especially in Nigeria. So number 1 will be home tutoring. Okay guys, home tutoring is a major opportunity to make money as a teacher here in Nigeria because so many parents are busy and at the same time they want their children to do well academically and ace exams and be very vast in knowledge, so they need that backup system, and voila, that's for the home tutor. So it's an opportunity for teachers, but to become a home tutor there's certain things you need to do and certain things you have to have. You have to know your onions, you have to know your subject area, you have to be very good at what you do, you have to have the right personality and charisma. Okay, so about tips and tricks on being a good home tutor or what to look out for a home tutor, I have done that video before. I'm going to link it somewhere in the cards, you go check it out. So you can make extra cash from home tutoring, and monies could range from 30,000 naira. If you are a new teacher in the field, you could earn 30,000 naira monthly. It depends on your proximity, your location, the number of children, your years of experience, and yeah, your negotiation skills. So all that will determine what you will be paid. But for new teachers you could earn like 30,000, and middle teachers, when I say middle teachers, I mean people that have taught for maybe a few years, maybe 3 years, you could earn more, maybe 50k, and then if you've had more years of experience, maybe 7 and above, then it could be maybe from 100,000 and above, so monthly. So it all depends on these things I've mentioned. Okay, tip number 2 will be teaching online, which we know, everybody knows that the whole world has gravitated towards teaching online and learning online. So you could hop on that bandwagon. You could go on Fiverr. When you go on Fiverr, you find an Upwork. Those are platforms where teachers can sell their skills, teachers can teach, teachers can meet other people, clients that want their skills. So it's a very good platform also for teachers. And then you could go via Zoom, you could have Zoom teachings online. You could even teach on YouTube if you want to. So those are avenues teachers can teach online and earn some money. All right, tip number 3 for me will be selling resources, selling teaching aids. On a daily basis we make teaching aids, we make teaching resources, but have you ever thought of selling your knowledge? Have you ever thought of selling those resources that you make? Have you thought of selling that workbook that you created? Yes, so you can think of selling them. Now there's a ton of platforms to sell your work. You could do that on Instagram, you could do that on Facebook, you could do that on a platform called Teachers Pay Teachers. So these are platforms where you could sell your creativity because we're all very creative. Okay, another thing, point number 4 for me will be consultancy. And to be a consultant, there are lots of things that come into play. First of all, your number of years of experience, because I mean you can't be a consultant who has, when I hear people say, oh, I'm a consultant, how long, and I ask, how long have you been teaching? Maybe 1 year, 2 years. So what exactly are you consulting? That rank consultant comes with years of experience, and consultancy for me is a very good way to earn money, and it comes with your number of years of experience and what you have learned on the job. So you could consult for schools, you can consult for people, you can consult for students, for parents. So that's another way to make money. That is tip number 4. Tip number 5 will be being a public speaker. Okay, and like consultancy, being a public speaker comes with a lot of things. You must be eloquent, very eloquent. You must know how to speak properly. You must have proper diction, pronounce your words right, and let your phonics come out right. You should be properly grounded in your grammar. No grammatical errors. You should be vast in your knowledge, okay, because you don't want to come off as somebody who is an empty vessel. So to be a public speaker, you must be very convincing, you must be very confident, you must be very aware of what you're talking about, okay? So to be a good public speaker, just practice. Keep practicing in front of your mirror, practice in front of family members, practice in front of friends. Just keep practicing, and before you know it, you are on your way to making extra income as a teacher. And one sure thing to help you speak better and to read better and to write better is to find resources even on YouTube. Watch videos on grammar, watch videos on creative writing, watch videos on storytelling. Those are ways to better yourself as a public speaker. All right, okay. Tip number 6 will be writing an ebook. Write an ebook. I can't overemphasize this. Writing an ebook, most of the time we just write things, we have journals everywhere as teachers. How about translating that journal to an actual ebook and sell it on Amazon? Because right now many books are sold on Amazon on a daily basis. So just write that book and put it on Amazon and make your money. That's some extra income. And one more tip I have for you, and this is the last tip. It is an extra tip. This tip is for you to come on YouTube like I am doing already. So as a teacher, you can make extra money by being on YouTube, and you gain international recognition, you gain more friends, more people, you grow your audience, you grow your social bank, okay, like I like to put it, and there's more awareness. So being on YouTube has a lot of perks. All right guys, so these are ways to make money through multiple streams of income. You can do 1, 2, 3, or so many of these things I have mentioned all at once and still do what you do. You can even do them at the weekends. That's why I said, it can also be called a side hustle. So yes guys, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you guys found this video super helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and I want to hear your ideas, your thoughts, what you think, what you could add to these tips I have already mentioned. Please drop them in the comment section. And yes guys, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.